Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about foamy liver is seen in putrefaction. You see foamy liver. In putrefaction, we see foamy liver is seen actually in putrefaction because of the H2S gas which is produced. There will be uh, blotting of the entire body with blotting of face, blotting of abdomen, pelvis, penis, and scrotum all are blotted. And you will also see that there will be marbling. Marbling is irregular tortuous network of discolored veins. So in marbling it is reddish brown or greenish discolored veins are seen. This marbling looks like a tree or marbled appearance. These are mainly seen in the roots of limbs, dust, abdomen and flanks and were established by 36 to 48 hours. Thank you and thank you for watching.